Today I'll be teaching you a cheat 720. I think a cheat 7 is one of the most basic and simple moves to start off your tricking in your sport karate. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my left side in front. I like to kick with my right leg and spin. A couple things that I want you to know. With just a basic spin kick or a 360, what we'll always start with is we do a little spin step. Okay? All I'm doing here is I'm just turning my toes, I'm turning my hips, and I'm crossing this center line. If this is my target, I just cross. I'm not going to let my foot go behind me. So we can warm up with just a couple of spin kicks. So you're going to step, eyes come around, arms help you spin, and kick. Okay? One more time, I step, I use my arms, I use my eyes, come around first, boom, and that kick follows. A 720, of course, is 2 spins. So very simple, just learning control, posture, and how to get your eyes around, working on 2 spins. And I'm going to step twice. Step 1, step 2. Again, I'm going to get my eyes around right away. This next time, let's get rid of the first kick. So we're building up to the cheat 7. So we're going to spin step. My knee comes up, and then the second time is when I kick. Right? One more time. Knee, kick. Okay, so we'll take that another level. I'm not going to set down. So here it's really important that I spot my eyes, I keep my posture, and I use my arms to help me rotate. Okay, so I won't set down. It'll be knee, spin, kick. Watch slow. Knee, and that's when my arms are going to close. Kick. So if I put that together, I'm still on the ground. One of the reason they call it a cheat 7 is because the first spin is done on the floor. All right, so now we're going to take it in the air. And where we just left off, we're going to take that cheat step. My eyes are going to come around, my arms come around. Notice how I'm still open, and then this knee lifts up. That's my first spin. It's already done for me. Now make sure that my knee and my chest are coming up to my target, right? So once I get to here, then I'm going to lift. I close my arms, I spot one more time, bang, and then the kick comes out. So let's break down what we just did. I'll do the first one on the floor. It's knee, spin, kick. Now I'm going to take it in the air. I want everything aiming to my target. My eyes, my chest, my arms. I'll be open, then I'm going to close and spot. Right when I see my target that second time, that kick comes out. So here's the final product. And that's your Cheat 7 tutorial.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today.